Alright guys, so I decided to go back out to my dad's house, and my mom and dad's house, and get a little bit more on this little red express truck. So, seems like a lot of people really like it, so I want to come back and record a little bit more of it. So, here is the little express truck. We're going to walk around it. Still love these Cragar style rims that he has on here. They're not Cragars, but so this is a Venture 150 Dodge 1978. He's got a few extra little things on here now. He has this on his front license plate, so that's pretty cool. Come around onto the other side. It's so clean, and I think it's just like so cool. Like the little details you have here on the pinstripe coming down across through here. So, and then he's got these pocket lights right here. You can see me in the reflection. You can tell that chrome's really good. It's got nice wood going on here. He's making some rails for this, so around Christmas time we'll have the nice fences going across here for Christmas tree. And check this out. We're big Nebraska Cornhusker fans here, and check this out. Look at that hat. So you got Little Red in the Little Red Express delivery truck. Ain't that cool, guys? It's just a cool truck. Walk back around over here. Let's go walk around and go on. I think the driver's side over here is unlocked right now, so let's go ahead and open this up. So check it out. Go ahead and sit on in it. He's got his little Nebraska dash plate in here too. Look at this. Put some mats down. He doesn't want to get his carpet dirty. So anyways, just thought that would be cool to show you guys. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit more of my dad's Little Red Express truck, and I thank you very much for watching the video. And also, please remember to click on like and subscribe, and you guys have a great weekend. Talk to you later.